Hi, I'm Tiffany Jamet, and over the past few months, I have been working hard alongside my amazing team to launch SOLIDE, the zero waste life, here in the UK. I have always been passionate about finding solutions to save our planet and oceans from plastic pollution. The SOLIDE journey began last year in Brittany, France, with my older brother Donatien and his co-founder Simon. Brittany is a place that shares a strong historical heritage with Great Britain. Being a proud Celtic Breton myself, and having the pleasure of calling the UK home for 8 years now, I am thrilled to be bringing the SOLIDE movement here, offering our solutions to those who, like us, want to make a positive difference to our planet. Please meet our founders, learn more about SOLIDE and the first and unique washing up cake.
Bonjour, moi c'est Simon.
Bonjour, moi c'est Donatien.
Ensemble, on a décidé de créer un projet porteur de sens, ancré localement dans notre belle région qui est la Bretagne.
Notre souhait est de développer des produits durables, des solutions simples qui respectent l'environnement et permettent à chacun de réduire drastiquement ses déchets.
Et on a rapidement trouvé la tâche du quotidien à laquelle il fallait s'attaquer en priorité. On passe du temps à faire la vaisselle. On a bien remarqué qu'il y avait un problème. Le produit vaisselle, c'est le produit ménager qu'on utilise le plus dans une vie. Mais savez-vous vraiment ce qu'il y a dedans ?
Que des ingrédients chimiques incompréhensibles, des conservateurs et autres perturbateurs endocriniens et détergents qui s'en vont dans nos éviers, polluer nos mers et nos océans. Sans compter que 80% du poids de ces produits est en fait composé d'eau. On pourrait largement s'en passer.
On pourrait aussi vous parler des éponges, emballées en du plastique, très durs à recycler et qui sont un véritable carnage pour l'environnement.
After months of working to find a better alternative, we are pleased to present our solutions for truly sustainable and economical washing up. We decided to create SOLIDE, a brand that is committed to the future of the planet with sustainable products, without packaging, ecological and economical, designed in Brittany and made in France. The SOLIDE washing up cake. What is it? It is simply a washing up liquid in solid form in which we put just the essentials. A cleaning surfactant certified by ECOCERT and gentle on the skin acts as the base of our cleaning product, with a dash of organic white vinegar to make your dishes shine and a few drops of organic sweet almond for a pleasant and natural scent. More ecological and more durable, one SOLIDE washing up cake is the equivalent of using 4 bottles of traditional washing up liquid. That's as many plastic bottles saved.
En plus d'être écologique et durable, il est aussi très pratique à l'utilisation.
Keep your SOLIDE cake near to the sink. Run your sponge under the water. Simply scrub your sponge on the SOLIDE washing up cake and you're ready to clean your dishes whilst being kind to our planet. Composed of only natural origin ingredients, designed in Brittany and manufactured in France, it allows us to reduce our impact on the pollution of rivers and oceans. In short, it has it all.
We have already made good progress and our solutions have been approved by French consumers. Now, to be able to continue this exciting adventure and bring the SOLIDE story here in the UK, we need your help. The SOLIDE washing up cakes that have already been distributed have made it possible to avoid the use and waste of hundreds of plastic bottles. Everyone who has tested them so far has embraced our sustainable solutions and made the change to SOLIDE for good. With your help, we will be able to make this great project a reality and replicate the SOLIDE business model here in the UK, so that our washing up cakes and zero waste accessories are readily available to all at an outlet near you. Let's move together towards sustainable washing up and do good for our planet. We are counting on you. Thank you for your support.